Welcome to a new episode of SpyFew. I know it's been a while since we've done one of these, but we've been a tad distracted here lately. Welcome to SpyFew. This video is going to go over the 3 different AdWords advisor reports SpyFu has to offer. All of them are easy to set up and are incredibly helpful in starting and advancing your PPC campaigns. The first one you're going to want to look at is the Keyword AdWords Advisor. This one's located under the Keyword Research dropdown, and then AdWords Advisor. We're starting here because this is the best way to start your PPC campaign, whereas the other 2 are great for maintaining and onboarding new clients. But this handy little tool will let you type in a keyword, any keyword, and will give you suggestions on what other keywords are doing well in that same industry by looking at the top 5 domains who are bidding on it. This is great for people who know they have a strong keyword and want a good buy on similar keywords. I'm going to type in new home loan in the search box, and right away you'll see a variety of keywords that some of the top advertisers are also using. You can change or update the competitors that we're getting this information from. An extra powerful feature is that you can filter through this list if you're looking for more specialized keywords. For example, I am going to put in Arizona. And here are all the Arizona-based keywords for new home loans. Once you find the keywords that are best for your campaign, you can add them to a SpyFu project to track your future performance on them. There are 2 other AdWords Advisor reports that come in handy after your campaign is already up and running. The good news is they're all laid out similarly. The bad news is I totally ruined my shirt with nacho cheese. How does this always happen? With all the reports, SpyFu will recommend great buys, good buys, all the way down to keywords we think you should just consider. Let's head over to PPC Research and then AdWords Advisor again. Even though SpyFu is primarily a competitive intelligence software, this is one of the cases where you're going to type in your own domain. And bam! Just like magic, will give you the top keywords you should start bidding on. Just like before, you can filter through these, change the competitors, or add them to your SpyFu project. On a personal note, this is one of our favorite tools that we've ever developed. It's kind of the holy grail of PPC research. Simple to use and understand, and it boils down hours or days of PPC research into just seconds. But if you're looking for the fan favorite, you gotta go to the orig. You guys have been loyal to the first AdWords Advisor report for years now. You can find it under the Reports tab. Once you're there, click on New PPC Report. They are incredibly quick to set up. Simply put in the domain, review the competitors, and then fire it off. These reports aren't instant like the other ones. They take a little bit more time to find the keywords. And then we format it into an actual professional report that you can print or email out. This is the easiest way to show a client your PPC strategy moving forward. Or even better, use the domain of a potential prospect. Show them how your work could improve their site. Insider tip. Another reason to use this report is if you can't find great buys on the other ones. This could be an indication that you're already doing a good job with your PPC keywords. So congratulations. But that probably also means that you have a lot of negative match opportunities on keywords that you're currently wasting your money on. Unlike the other 2 reports, this one will show you which keywords you should consider negative matching out. This is done by taking a look at those same competitors and seeing which keywords you're bidding on, but none of them are. Sometimes it's the name of your brand or the products you sell, but a lot of times it's weird keywords you're accidentally broad matching on. Google doesn't always tell you about these, but they can sneakily drain your budget. So when you find them, negative match them out. Bonus, no one has to know that this is actually a SpyFu report. If you have a professional plan, you can customize it, white label it, even add your own logo to this report. You can even have the report update monthly automatically, so you can show your progress moving forward and even build out more keywords. You spend a couple minutes of work, and to a client or a prospect, it looks like you spent weeks researching their site and their competitors. And that's what the AdWords Advisor reports are really about at their core. Like a lot of SpyFu, it exists to level the internet marketing playing field, so that even if you're on a small budget, you can learn from the greatest mistakes and successes of your top competitors without having to suffer through the expensive trial and error all on your own. Speaking of being on your own, you'll never leave me, right? I'm gonna get fired.